Jamaican jerk pork steak ingredients: 4 pork boneless blade or butt steaks, 3/4 inch thick fresh sage leaves, if desired. Jamaican jerk seasoning: 2 teaspoons dried thyme leaves, 1 teaspoon ground allspice, 1 teaspoon packed brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cracked black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon ground cayenne pepper, 4 cloves garlic, finely chopped. Directions: combine the seasoning ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Rub the seasoning onto the pork steaks on all sides. Place the pork in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes. Do not marinate longer. Preheat a charcoal or gas grill for direct heat. Brush the grill rack with vegetable oil. Grill the pork steaks, covered, 4 to 5 inches from the heat for 4 minutes. Turn the pork over and grill 4 to 8 minutes longer or until cooked. Serve the grilled pork steaks garnished with fresh sage leaves.